Hi again. So now we have Panasonic 864 model. It's pure Japan from 1970s, early 1980s maybe. Its purchases label on the top that it was purchased at 1981. So it's all original looks, and we did manage to install the Bluetooth. It's overall great condition in brown color. Will looks great in the car with the brown dash. Unfortunately, here is few cracks in the bottom, so you will better see in the pictures. So let's test it out. At first I'm gonna test the radio itself, the cassette player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use Bluetooth, okay? Okay. One thing I want to mention here that this is Japanese frequency, so it goes maximum up to 104, and that's it. If you go more, you're back to 87.5. So it's pretty sad, but it still plays. You can still catch some radio stations. Okay, so radio works. Let's test it. Let's test the cassette. Let's go forward. Now backwards. Okay, let's see how it looks in the dark. There is not much light here, but this is how it came from factory. Okay, so in order to activate the Bluetooth, you have to switch from FM mode to middle waves or long waves. Doesn't matter which one you pick. Simply switch it, and now you're on the Bluetooth mode, okay? So let's go to our cell phone, turn on the Bluetooth, and here it is. Now it's connected. Let's go to YouTube and play any music you want. And it actually sounds pretty good for its age. Okay, so when you want to back to your regular radio or cassette, simply go back to U, to FM mode, and here it is. You're back to your FM mode again. Okay, pretty cool, right? Thumbs up, guys.